on some chill shit. We gon' sell 200, real shit. Baby on that rap and pay the bill shit. And I don't feel that shit, not even a little bit. Oh Lord, know yourself, know your worth, nigga. My actions being louder than my words, nigga. How you sold, I been still sold down to earth, nigga. Niggas wanna do it, we can do it on their turf, nigga. Oh Lord, I'm the rookie.
What's going on, guys? It's One here, and just making a quick little video today, guys. By the title of the video, you guys already know what's going to be happening. So a lot of you guys know that rock chips, they're going to happen no matter what you do unless you expedite your car, and even then there's still possible damage to be done. My car, I drive 100 miles a day. That's 50 miles to work, 50 miles back, and yeah, I drive through the freeway, so it's going to happen a shit ton. If you're like me, and I'm talking from experience, my front bumper is completely ruined. You can't see it in the video, but there is a shit ton of little small rock chips everywhere, and I'm not really worried about the front bumper, but something did happen. It hit my fender right at the corner of the headlight. It's really big. You guys can possibly see that. So last night I was driving home and I heard a big crack, and I already knew something happened. I did have a once over on the vehicle in the morning. I didn't see anything. I did wash my car. That's when I noticed it, because I was dragging my car by my wheels actually, and I seen it right there, and I was like, God damn it. So yeah. Good thing I was prepared for this. I do have, well, I would have to put my phone like this so I can reach and grab it. So I do have a Motorcraft Dolby pin here. It is ruby red, so it's basically the same color as my car. I'm going to give it a try. I have used this in the past, but not as a big rock chip as this. So I'm going to see how it's going to look. And I do notice another rock chip actually. Holy shit, there's another one. So let me show you guys that too as well. There's a rock chip right there too as well. I did not see that, so that's gonna get touched up too as well. Can't really see it now that I'm down here. Now I can see it, but from up top you can't see anything. So yeah, I'm gonna set up my camera that way you guys can get a good view. Quickly go over it. Hopefully this is gonna help you guys out later on. If you guys want to order this Motorcraft pin, you can just go to your dealership to order it. I ordered it through my dealership, which is a Honda dealership. So I mean, it's the same color. I've used it previously on one of my pillars. So yeah. And actually, I actually forgot, I need to cover up this one over here too as well. So I have 3 rock chips to cover up for you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoy the video, probably speed up the process a little bit, because I know it's going to take a while. I'll stop it once I do like the first coat, and then after that I'll do the clear coat, and then I'll just speed up me just going to the brush. Or if you guys just want to hear me talk about the car, I'll probably do that too as well. So yeah, so I'm going to set up the camera. Hope you guys like enjoy the video. If you guys haven't already yet subscribe. So yeah. This has been One Hand, and enjoy the rest of the video. Alright guys, so we have it right there. Got my polarizing filter on, so it's making the car look nice and really nice. So yeah, I'm going to start off with just applying a bit of the ruby red. Don't really want to smear it. So this, I haven't done a big rock chip like this before, so not sure how well this is going to go. I don't want that much ruby red on the brush, so let's give it a shot. I'm just dabbing it on there. Dab it. So it's not going to look the best, but it is going to cover that up. Going to prevent rust. If you guys really want to do this as soon as possible, just because there could be rust. I have yet to experience rust in any part of this vehicle, so yeah. So we're going to let that dry for a bit, and we add a touch more right there. It does look like it's not sitting properly right there, but oh well. It's better than having a giant fucking silver spot. So I'm going to let that dry up, guys. We'll apply the clear coat next. I don't really think I need to do 2 coats of ruby red. Possibly. I don't think so. I think it'll be perfect. It looks exactly the same, as just my paint's a little bit more worn out, so in due time it will basically blend in. So yeah, I'll be back with you guys once I apply the clear coat. Oh, you know what? We can actually apply the paint onto the rock chips. That way you guys can see that too as well. I mean, set up the camera for that too as well. Alright, so let's just get this one down, and we should be good to go. Don't want that much paint on the brush. Again, just want to dab it on there a little bit, not too much. You don't want to make it bubble up and stick out from the rest of your paint. So there it is. Nothing much to it, guys. I know a lot of people are afraid to use touch-up paint. I was at first, but it does work. Right there, you could see a little bit just because it's a little bit indented in there, so you probably will apply a second coat on that one just to see if it'll, you know, fill it in a little bit more. But yeah, let's move on to the third one, and yeah, we'll just get ready for the clear coat. Alright guys, as you can see, it's fairly dried, so it's time to put the clear coat. So if you guys didn't know, the pin is basically the paint and the clear coat is just on opposite sides. So I'm going to get this clear coat out, gently dab it on there a little bit. Not too much because it is the clear coat. My dog is walking next to me, so she's being a little... Alright, there you go. That should protect the paint from peeling off from the power washer or stuff like that. It already blended in pretty well, so there's nothing much else to it, guys. Just let it dry for now and give it about a few hours. I've been letting the paint dry for a good 2 or 3 hours, and now I just apply the clear coat. Alright guys, this shows us the final product. Let me get the flash on. That's basically it. As you guys can see, it looks almost blended in perfectly. There is a little high spot from the clear coat, but it's nothing big. It should wear down over time. Hope you guys learned something today. If you guys have any advice, comments for anyone else trying to do this, please leave it down in the comments down below. But again, this is One Hand. Hope you guys like and enjoy. Leave a like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.